Cubs acquire reliever Morgan, trade prospect to Guardians Chicago. One of the stated goals for Cubs president of baseball operations, Jed Hoyer, this offseason was to build up a deeper bullpen inventory. Setbacks early on last season within the relief corps created a domino effect that took months to sort out.
Eli Morgan has entered with the lead
Cubs took a
only
step in that
twice.
planned direction by acquiring reliever Eli Morgan from the Guardians. In exchange for outfield prospect Alfonsin Rosario No. 21, the pipeline's top 30 list for the Cubs.
Drops a
To clear room on the 40-man roster, Chicago designated infielder
from an
Patrick
unexpected
Wisdom for assignment.
reliever. Eli
Our bullpen
Morgan's
numbers
got
the
his
second
moment
half of
in
the
this
season were
division
really
series.
strong, Hoyer said at the end of the season, and among the top in baseball. But at a critical moment, when those guys struggled and were hurt early, we didn't have enough depth in that moment,
And the 1-2
and that
pitch.
hurt us. So that's something we have to address.
Guardians
Morgan
hammer
is
the
28
Rangers
years
in
old,
the series
has
opener
4
by a
years
final
of big
score.
league
Now the count
experience
is
as part
full.
of Cleveland's bullpen and is under contractual control for the next 3
And a
seasons.
called strike three.
The right-hander is eligible for arbitration for the first time this
Since
offseason,
August 1st,
and also
Eli
has one
Morgan has
minor
entered
league
with the
option
lead
remaining,
only twice.
making this a cost-effective addition with
22-game
some
stretch.
built-in
He has not
flexibility.
been in a spot like
All
this.
those
Now the
logistical
count is
factors
full.
aside,
And
Morgan is also
a
coming off his
strike
best performance at the big league level.
Eli
Last
Morgan
season, the righty
drops
turned
a
in a
changeup in
1.93
there.
ERA with a
Massive
.256
strikeout
weighted on-base
from an
average against
unexpected
first
reliever.
at-bats.
Eli
In
Morgan's
42
got
innings,
his moment
Morgan
in this
had 34
division
strikeouts
series.
with 11 walks issued and a 194 opponents average. Morgan's fastball checked in at 92.2 miles per hour on average last year, ranking in the 21st percentile in baseball,
And the 1-2
according to
pitch.
StatCast. Beyond that, however, the reliever
Guardians
has a plus
hammer the
changeup and
Rangers
above
in the
average
series
slider.
opener by a final score.
The slider
Now the
overtook
count
the
is full.
changeup as Morgan's most used secondary pitch in 2024,
And a called
generating a
strike
32.8% whiff rate.
Eli
Wisdom,
Morgan.
33, spent the past 5 seasons with
Since
the
August
Cubs,
1st,
playing
Eli
mostly
Morgan
third
has entered
base
with
and
the
offering
lead
elite
only
power,
twice.
especially
the
against
22-game
left-handed pitching.
stretch. He has not
He
been in a
set
spot like
Chicago's
this.
single-season
Now the
rookie
count
record
is
for
full.
home runs with 28
And a
in
called
2021,
strike three.
when he finished 4th in voting for the
Eli
National League Rookie
Morgan
of the Year.
drops a changeup in
In a
there.
sporadic bench role
Massive
last year,
strikeout
Wisdom hit
from an
171
unexpected
with a 629
reliever.
OPS
Eli
with 8
Morgan's got
homers in
his
75
moment in this
games.
division series.
Rosario was a 6th-round pick by the Cubs in the 2023 draft and reached single-A Myrtle Beach last season. In 109 games,
And the
the
1-2
20-year-old
pitch.
center fielder hit 230 with 16 homers,
Guardians hammer the
73
Rangers in the
RBIs,
series
20
opener by a
stolen
final
bases,
score. Now the
and a
count is full.
.767 OPS. Morgan joins a Cubs bullpen that is a work in progress in terms of personnel and
Eli
roles.
Morgan.
Rookie Porter Haas reached the majors and turned into a
Since August
late-inning
1st,
option last
Eli
season.
Morgan has entered with the
Nate
lead
Pearson
only
was acquired at the
twice.
trade deadline in July
22-game
and should have a
stretch. He
big
has
role
not
in
been in a spot like
2025.
this. Now the count is
Lefty
full.
Luke Little has grown into a trusted weapon
Strike
before a left
three.
shoulder or lat injury ended his
Eli
campaign in
Morgan
July.
drops a
The Cubs
changeup
added
in
Tyson
there.
Miller via trade
Massive
in May, and he turned into a
strikeout from an
stabilizing presence.
unexpected
3
reliever.
relievers from
Eli
last year's
Morgan's
bullpen,
got his
Jorge
moment
Lopez,
in this
Bruce
division
Riley,
series.
and Nancy Almonte are free agents, and Adbert Alzolay, recovering from
And the
Tommy
1-2
John
pitch.
surgery, was designated for assignment on Tuesday.
Guardians
The
hammer
Cubs
the
also have
Rangers in the
decisions to make
series
by
opener
Friday
by a
on
final
whether to
score.
tender Julian Merriweather, Keegan Thompson, and Trey Winginter all arbitration-eligible contracts. To Hoyer's point,
Now the count is full.
in-season moves made by the Cubs last season helped the bullpen post a
And a called
3.33
strike
ERA
three.
from June 1st through the end of the
Eli
campaign.
Morgan.
That was the second lowest mark in the NL and ranked
Since August
4th in the
1st,
majors
Eli
during that
Morgan has
timeframe.
entered with the lead
Prior
only
to June,
twice.
the Cubs
It's a
logged a
22-game
4.61
stretch. He has
ERA
not been in a
14th
spot
in
like
NL and
this. Now the
27th in
count is
MLB,
full.
while dealing with
And a
injuries and
called
subpar
strike
performances.
three.
The Cubs
Eli
showing in May
Morgan
10th to 18th,
drops a changeup in
exacerbated
there.
by the team's lineup-wide
Massive
offensive drought
strikeout from an
played a significant
unexpected
part in their
reliever.
inability to
Eli
climb back into
Morgan's got his
postseason
moment
contention.
in this division
Looking
series.
back, Hoyer acknowledged that the front office should have added more bullpen resources last winter. Being self-critical, I feel like that's something that I didn't
And
do
the
a good
1-2
job
pitch.
of last offseason,
Booker.
Hoyer said.
Guardians
our
hammer the
bullpen,
Rangers in
I'm
the
really
series
proud of the
opener
work
by
our
a
whole
final
staff
score.
did
Now
during
the
the
count is
season.
full.
We didn't have the depth early on that we needed,
And a
and that's
called
something that I
strike
know we'll
three.
certainly look to improve going
Eli
forward.
Morgan